We just received a quarter of an inch of rain in about 10 minutes, and there's a little more on the way. The weather ball right now, blinking bright. The view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Looking off to the east, there's the storm that just moved across the 1300 side studios and dumped all that rain. West winds at 12 and a mild and muggy morning out there. Here comes the rain in Fremont. This arrived between 10 and 10:30 earlier, and look at the wind. Winds are really picking up, gusts to 40 miles per hour in Fremont, Michigan. So the clouds giving us some relief from the excessive heat. Look on the other side of the state, not nearly as cloudy. It's in the mid 80s in Flint and Saginaw. Rain cooled 73 in Muskegon, and it is 74 degrees in Ludington. Florida like dew points. This is the best measure of how much moisture is in the air, and this is going to contribute to those really uncomfortable heat indices later today. It's also responsible for fueling these showers and thunderstorms. Some incredible rainfall rates. At one point we had a 6-inch per hour rainfall rate. Fortunately, it didn't rain for too terribly long outside here, our 1300 side studios, but this has been weakening and this is moving east at around 30 miles per hour. You're seeing that rain, just some light rain near Howard City, near Grant and Newaygo, Muskegon, Twin Lake, Ravenna. These are the thunderstorms about to arrive at the Grand Rapids Airport, Byron Center. And again, you can expect some incredible rainfall rates with these and some lightning just east of Comstock Park. The big threats, again, are going to be from torrential rains, and then you're seeing that to the south. On the north side of Kalamazoo, really coming down, and heavy rain between Saugatuck, Douglas, and South Haven. So this is expected to move out of the area this afternoon, and as the skies clear, it is going to cook. Excessive heat warnings up for for parts of West Michigan, and then we have the heat advisories to the north. The heat index could surge past the century mark here in the next couple of days. We could see an isolated thunderstorm early tomorrow morning as we're watching these thunderstorms riding up and over this large dome of high pressure. And then Saturday, we're going to be tracking a cool front. This eventually provides some relief, but that's still a couple days away. Heat index forecast. This is not pretty. If you're without air conditioning, you are hopefully somewhere that does, or some place that does in the coming days because of these dangerously high numbers. So heat index approaches the century mark tomorrow and Saturday. Really dangerous stuff. You're drinking plenty of water, you're taking frequent breaks, and you're taking it easy in these kinds of conditions. So Lake Michigan, the place to go to beat the heat. However, we do have small craft advisories up. So some dangerous currents, elevated rip current risk, particularly Holland North. Water temperatures are nice and warm. These are in the low 70s at Holland, Muskegon, and Duck Lake State Parks. Your 13 on target forecast. Hot and humid with scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That cool front late Saturday knocks our temperatures down. And early next week's going to feel real nice. Low 80s, less humid, and high temperatures about average for this time of year much of the following week.